Good day, it's Pelo Dlamini here with the latest football update. It's the 1st of December and you know AFCON is around the corner. Coach Hugo Broos, Bafana head coach, has announced the 25-man final squad to represent South Africa in this upcoming AFCON that is set to take place from the 21st of December to the 18th of January. And here is the list of players, starting with goalkeepers. Ronwen Williams from Mamelodi Sundowns, Ricardo Goss from Siwelele FC, Sipho Chain from Orlando Pirates. Moving on to defenders, it's Khuliso Mudau from Mamelodi Sundowns, Thabang Mathuludi from Polokwane City, Tylon Smith from Queen's Park Rangers in England, Nkosinathi Sibisi from Orlando Pirates, Aubrey Modiba from Mamelodi Sundowns, Khulumani Ndamane from TS Galaxy FC, Siyabonga Ngezana from FCSB from Romania, Samkelo Kabini from Molde FK from Norway, and Mbekezeli Mbogazi from Orlando Pirates. Moving on to midfield fielders, Tebogo Mokoena from Mamelodi Sundowns, a regular, Bathusi Obas from Mamelodi Sundowns, Talente Mbatha from Orlando Pirates, Siphephelo Sithole from CD Tondela from Portugal. Moving on to forwards, Ozwin Apolis from Orlando Pirates, Mohau Nkota from Al Ettifaq in Saudi Arabia, Tshepang Moremi from Orlando Pirates FC, Evidence Mahopa from Orlando Pirates FC, Lyle Foster from Burnley FC in the Premier League, Sipho Mbule from Orlando Pirates, Elias Mokwana from Al Hazim in Saudi Arabia, Chandre Campbell from Club Brugge in Belgium, Relebohile Mufokeng from Orlando Pirates. Those are the 25-man squad, but there are also standby players that are going to remain in South Africa and they will be called in case there's a problem with the squad. On standby, it's Mduduzi Shabalala from Kaizer Chiefs, Ikram Reyners from Mamelodi Sundowns, and Thabo Moloisane from Stellenbosch FC. This is the 25-man final squad for the AFCON for Bafana. Hugo Broos has selected this man. Hopefully the boys will bring the trophy. They're set to face Egypt, Angola, and Zimbabwe in the upcoming AFCON edition in Morocco. Follow me on TikTok for more football stories, and here is your AFCON squad.